This is how to post Facebook Reels from your laptop or PC, so let's get into it. First of all, open up your browser and then search here for Facebook login. Basically, you just need to log into your Facebook account on your laptop or PC. Then click on your profile icon at the very top right corner and then simply switch to the account from which you want to post your reel on your Facebook account. Alright, once you are here on your Facebook account, what you need to do is to simply click on the Reels option at the top of this interface where you can see the three options. First one is the Stories, second one is the Reels and third one is the Rooms. Simply click on the Reels option here. So once you click on it, then you will be here at this interface. Here you can see an option of Create Reels. Simply click on it. So then you will be here at this interface. So now what you need to do, here in the upload video section you can see an option of add video. Click on it and it will open your gallery. You have to simply click on any of the reel that you want to post here. I am selecting here this video here. Simply click on open, then it will start uploading here. So now what you need to do, at the left side of this interface under the upload video option you can see an option of the next. Simply click on it and now this is the time to add description about your reel. Like you can add any of the hashtags here or any of the descriptions about your reel. So right after that you can see an option of who can see this. You have to just select here for any of your desired persons, like you can select here your friends or the public one and then simply click on the done. So now you have to just wait for some seconds until this publish option will turn to the blue. You have to simply click on the publish option here in order to publish your post on your Facebook. And that's all for this video. I hope this video makes a help for you. Thanks for watching.